Mandarake is a great store to get your fill of Japanese pop culture and to find geeky souvenirs. Stick around as we'll be giving away some of the items featured in this episode. Okay, we are in Nakano. We're joined with our special guest, Mark from Throwback Tokyo.
Dude, how's it going, Simon?
It's all good, man. So, Mark, please tell us, what is Throwback Tokyo?
Throwback Tokyo, we're a gaming community based in Tokyo. We play arcade games, so if you're ever in Tokyo, you want to play some old retro games, fighting games, come and find us, Throwback Tokyo.
And we're going to put all the links in the description, so check them out. So we're going to go to Nakano Broadway. We're going to hit up the Mandarake shops.
Nice.
All right, ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's go.
Mandarake has over 30 shops in the Nakano Broadway Mall, which is just outside of Shinjuku. Okay, Mark, so we're actually going to have a little competition between you and me as well.
Okay, I like it.
We've got 3,000 yen each to find the best souvenir that we can find in Mandarake.
Okay, sounds good.
Nice.
Yeah, ready.
And then keep watching because you could win those souvenirs as well. And we're displaying all those details at the end of the episode, so keep watching. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
We got here, what we got? Kaiju?
Yeah, there's some ugly, goddamn ugly things here. I like this guy. He would mix well with zebras, I guess. Yeah, they really did whack out when they were designing these guys.
We got Garamon here. You know where he's from?
Of course, yeah, Ultraman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these ones here are like 8,000 yen, but upstairs there's some really expensive ones as well.
That's pretty dope.
You know Transformers?
I know a little bit of Transformers.
You know this guy?
I'm not familiar with Transformer.
Yeah, Transformer. It looks like it's slag,
Okay.
the Dinobot, but yeah, it says Transformer or Transformer. Not quite sure what that's about.
Need to do a little bit of research, a little bit of digging.
Yeah. If you know what Transformers are, opposed to Transformers, let us know for sure. We are now at Mandarake number 5.
Yeah, the best Mandarake.
Why is it the best one?
They've got a lot of stuff that you won't find anywhere else, especially American comic related stuff. DC, Marvel, all you Stan Lee heads. This is where you need to be, Special 5.
Would this stuff be difficult to find even in like the US or the UK?
Some of the stuff would be very, very difficult to find. I mean, there are things such as biohazard goods, there are Japan exclusives, and if you take a look behind you, you've got like interactive video board for Star Wars here.
Oh, wow.
With a VHS. This is Japan edition. So this is stuff that you probably wouldn't find.
This is only 1,000 yen. There you go. I think that's a pretty good price. That's a contender right there. Nice.
But check this out. If you want to find something that you probably couldn't find anywhere else and wouldn't want to, we've got Boy George collectible.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, Simon, check this out. If you're looking for exclusives, things that you wouldn't find anywhere else,
wow,
we've got some Pampers original Spider-Man themed diapers. Yeah. Everything. They have everything. So Simon, if you want to check something that you probably wouldn't find it in any other place, you might want to come in here. They've got all kinds of retro goods. They've got all kinds of video game card-related things, but they've also got some old Disney cards.
Oh yeah?
So if you're wanting to get your card collection set, you might want to come over this way. We've got Hunchback of Notre Dame, Casper cards, X-Men stuff.
We've also got all the Japanese cards here as well. Like right above we've got Evangelion. And then we've got what we got here. It's like Japanese dams. Bebop, Cowboy Bebop.
Cowboy Bebop, Trigun, we've got Morrigan there, some Street Fighter stuff, all Capcom World cards. You could spend a lot of time here, you could get really lost. So they've got some original like Final Fantasy VIII trading cards here, so anybody who played Final Fantasy VIII will remember getting the Idea card.
Best Final Fantasy minigame ever. If you disagree, I want to hear why. Alright, the next shop is in Mandarake Micro, which has an interesting collection of very small things, Ghibli, and if you have a look this way, wrestling masks as well. There's a lot of nice, interesting Ghibli stuff here. I saw this the other day. Dragon Ball bed sheets, 3,000 yen. That would be a good souvenir. Mart hasn't seen it, so maybe I can beat him in this. Maybe this one.
What's going on, Simon?
Nothing, man, nothing. Yeah, I'm good. You found anything good that you like?
I've seen so many great things. This is one of my favorite Mandarakes.
Yeah? Yeah?
They've got Ghibli things to this side.
Yeah.
But if we look over here, you'll find a lot of gaming stuff. So if you're willing to dig deep, you can find all kinds of things. Simon, you find anything good so far?
Well, I found right here, Big Trouble in Little China.
Kurt Russell there.
What you got?
I got an Optimus Prime here. This is pretty sick. I don't know whose artwork it is, but it reminds me of Alex Ross.
There's some Japanese stuff here as well though, look. Fist of the North Star.
Hokuto no Ken.
So in this part of the store, if you're a collector of comic books, you can get your Japanese versions of your American comics here. So we got Deadpool, Japanese X-Men as well, Spawn, Japanese Spawn, all the Japanese Marvels, Japanese Walking Dead, Japanese Star Wars up there as well. And down there, there's all the Batman, like Killing Joke in Japanese. So if you're a collector and you want to add a little bit of Japanese to your collection, here's the best place.
So, Special 2 is a little bit of a secret place. Simon might not be too familiar with this place, so they have a lot of gaming goods. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. So if you're willing to spend some time here and sift through, you'll find some really good items. Usually there's some video game related stuff. We've got some Persona exclusive, Japan exclusive things. So if you're a Persona fan, you can get your hit here. Let's see what else they've got. A lot of One Piece, a lot of Dragon Ball, but I'm looking for something game related. Aha! Okay, we found the Motherlode. We've got Street Fighter, Dragon Quest, some Kirby, some Splatoon, a Goomba. But truth be told, I'm a Sega fan, so I'm actually looking for something Sonic related. With the movie coming out, let's keep looking. Okay, here we go. Some of the bigger items, some of the figures here. We've got Phantasy Star Online. What else do we have? Final Fantasy goods. See, if we got a little bit deeper, we can find some inflatables, some carbuncles. We've got some Monster Hunter goods here. Quite a few. If you're willing to spend some time, dig deep, you'll find some good stuff. So if we go down here, again, we'll find some more elusive goods. Some more Final Fantasy goods here. We've got a Parappa the Rapper watch, which is pretty fantastic if you ask me. Unopened, this is a Japan exclusive. We don't have a date here, but it's got to be 95. Rodney Greenblatt, my man. Like I was saying, if we dig a little bit deeper, we might find some of the good stuff. So we've got a Sephiroth figure here, 2,300 yen. We've got the game coming out next month. Me thinks this is a possibility.
Let's go in. What's your head?
Okay, oh, not really a problem for me.
I'm gonna crouch down real low.
Yeah, all kinds of wacky things. Lots of kaiju, lots of monsters. But everything here looks like it's a cut from the 50s, 60s. Some of this stuff is way back. We've got a 12,000 yen Spider-Man there.
Yeah,
very inarticulate.
He looks pretty old, but he looks in good condition.
Yeah, that's the thing about Mandarake especially, is whenever you do come here, whatever you're looking at is in pretty good condition.
Hey Mark, there's something I want to show you.
Oh, sick! Let's see.
Come on, man.
What have you got?
I didn't think I would find something like this here.
Oh, is it a Sailor Moon mask?
It's not Sailor Moon, man. Check it out. Samurai Pizza Cats.
Oh no, they didn't.
You know Samurai Pizza Cats?
I'm aware of it. Tell me more.
They're cats that fight crime, and they run a pizza restaurant.
Seems like maybe the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles had some influence on these guys.
I think so. This did come after the Turtles, but man, it was one of my favorites. It was so good. This could be mine. This could be my thing. This could be mine.
It's a possibility, but actually, I'm thinking like Angelmon might be a better choice.
Angelmon?
Yeah, Angelmon.
No Digimon. Samurai Pizza Cats. Show me love for Samurai Pizza Cats. So was it earlier we found the Spider-Man toothbrush?
We did, yeah. Something that every kid would need. A Spider-Man toothbrush.
I think Sailor Moon has the biggest range of goods though.
They do, right? Cosmetic goods. We've got lip cream here and scepters and orbs and all kinds of lockets.
Nail polish,
Yeah.
candy.
This is a place to be if you want to get your Sailor Moon fix.
Look at all these different ones they've
You
got.
can get your scepter on. If you've got 35,000 yen to spend and you want to blitz yourself out, you want to look bling-tastic, this is a place to be. Ooh, I want that one. I want the one with wings.
We're now at the anime can, where you got your artwork, your cells, and graphics and stuff like that for sale. Nice. Do you ever find anything good here?
Yeah, often there's really unique things here, and sometimes you can find them in the shop, sometimes you can find them online with things like Sailor Moon, Pokemon, Pan-Man. There might even be an odd Ghibli piece in there.
Cool.
If you get lucky.
So you said online, yeah. So there's the Mandarake online auction house, where you can find like big money items, some rare stuff. So if there's something particular you're looking for, look at the auction. Okay, we're at the top page of the Mandarake auction website, and already you can see we've got a high value item right here. 900,000 yen, Kiki's delivery service art sale. This is a great place to come if you're looking for those high value items, or if you're looking for something particular. We've got books, toys, scripts, gallery cards. There's a lot of stuff here, so have a look through, see what you can find. I've got one more example to show you for high value item. 20.5 million yen. And this is an original piece of artwork from the Ghibli movie Reputa. 20.5 million yen. Wow, that's a lot of money. So we got, all this shop is all robots, it's all Gundam. So you got these kind of kits here. But then, like, if you look at like these boxes here, like the plain color, these are the web exclusives. So you can get all your high grade stuff, all your exclusives from this shop to take home from you.
So if you're a fan of Gundam Extreme Versus 2, you can always play in the arcades and then take away a model lot too.
So that was Mandarake.
That was Mandarake.
You have a good time?
Really good times.
Did you have a good time? I hope so. Okay. So we had the little competition. Me and Mark have both brought souvenirs.
That's right.
Right. So let's show them what we got.
Okay.
So I have picked a little Totoro guy.
Very cute. A lovely guy with an acorn.
He's a little pot as well.
Wow, there you go.
Hey.
Keep some trinkets in there.
What have you got?
Well, I think I knocked it out the park this time, Simon. I got myself a Final Fantasy VII original legendary soldier Sephiroth figure. So I think this is going to do it, I'm afraid. I think this is going to win.
But man, you can't keep that. We're going to give it away.
That's right, that's right.
So if you want to win this, or if you want to win this, all you got to do is tell us what you want to win. So if you like this, comment Simon. If you like this, comment Mark.
Yeah, comment Mark. Please comment Mark.
Comment Simon.
I want to win.
If you want the Totoro, you comment Simon. Competition ends March 31st. Hold that, we're going to extend this giveaway until April 10th. Check the description for details, and we'll see you in the next episode. Mark, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Simon.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit them like and subscribe buttons and get in touch with us for any travel advice for Japan. Arigatou gozaimasu.